Hello Facebook and YouTube. Today on How Hugh, I'm going to try something just a little bit different. I needed a new portable workbench for a long time. So on How Hugh buys a portable workbench. I'm not sure if that's going to work or not. I'll figure out a new title. But anyways, I did some online YouTubing for it and found a lot of people seem to like the DeWalt. It's the one you can get at Home Depot for, usually it's like 99 bucks. I guess it goes on sale for 69 bucks sometimes, but I got it for 89 bucks. And it looks like it'll probably do the job, so I'm going to take it apart and see how it does. Okay. You know what? I'm not going to have you watch me take it apart, so give me just a minute. Or maybe I will have you watch me tear all the paper off. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so this is it. Has some legs. I'm supposed to apparently, don't put my fingers there, so okay, I won't put my fingers there. Supposed to press the yellow button, pull this little handle out. I don't know if you can see the handle or not. There's a handle, and it's supposed to stand right up there. Look at that. There's a workbench. Wow, it's nice and sturdy. The paper says it'll hold 1,000 pounds. You know, I wouldn't put 1,000 pounds on it, but I think it'll hold a few hundred pounds really easily. Who knows, maybe it will hold 1,000 pounds. So to fold it up, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to press the button. I'm going to push it in. Look at that. It's got a little handle on the side. That weighs about 20 pounds, maybe a couple pounds more. You know what? I think this is a winner. It'll store away nicely. Storage is really important to me. I moved from a big giant house to a much smaller house. Okay. Out.